Next right.
So you can see that the wildlife sanctuary has filled up quite a bit with people. Look in the mirror there, maybe you can see it. But so this is it. We're heading to the Indian Bread Hills now. Gonna hook up with my friend Paul. Maybe spend a day or two up there. But first, I need to get some fuel and propane, and I might even do some laundry. And actually what I have to do is a little bit of shopping, because somehow I am missing a bunch of clothes, and I think that there's a chance that they may have been mistaken for a bag of garbage and thrown out. So we'll see what happens. But I've looked all over and they're not showing up. See, this is the overflow parking, so there's today a lot of people trying to get into the sanctuary. And there's the sign for it there, the Whitewater Draw. So very, very well worth it. I really enjoyed my stay here. I was here for 2 full days, and now I am leaving the noon of the 3rd. This road here was really slick coming in when it was wet, and so just got to be aware of it. Anyway, I'm going to pause the camera here because we are going to be coming up on a huge solar installation that I see going on. Like right here, these are some panels right there. All right. We're coming up on the solar farm here. And so this here is the far edge of it down here. And boy, they're coming along. They've already put in all these pipes. You can see the square packs. Those are the solar panels. But yeah, they've already put in those bars, the framework to hold the panels up. So here's another pack of hardware piping for it. I can only imagine the wiring involved, how much heavy gauge copper is going to be going. So then we come to this side here. You can see all the packages of solar panels here, and locations laid out where they're going to put guns for it all. Back over here, you see that the framework is coming along nicely. So this is actually a very big solar installation.
In 600 feet, turn left onto North Central Highway.
So there are all of your workers. It must be lunchtime. And right here, this looks like the substation for it. They're putting in all of the insulators and transformers and all that good stuff that goes with electrical installations. Siemens Energy. Siemens is a big manufacturer of electrical control systems. Okay, so we came in that way, but we're going this way to the town of Wilcox, where I'm gonna get supplies. Here is the other side view. You can see the layout there. Those rolls are all wiring, I imagine. Tons of wire to connect all of these up. Very interesting. Now this is a huge solar farm. So you've already got the pipes are counted in. There's a pile driver right there. There's 3 of them working out there. Sure, it's a great job. It pays a lot of money. I'm sure of that. Okay, so let us head on out of here. There's the mountains off to the side over there. And around here. So yeah, the Whitewater Draw Wildlife Area. Highly recommend. Go there on a cloudy, windy, rainy day. The birds don't care, but the crowds do, and the crowds will not be there on a windy, rainy day. And I had some great viewing out there myself. Okay, shutting down the camera. Let's go. Okay. Paul and I are here at Indian Bread Rocks and enjoying camping here. You see there's a lot of mesquite trees and some cacti or palms or whatever they are. See, there's the truck camper there. There is a short wheelbase schoolie. My neighbor over there is a fifth wheel. Paul is that white splotch in the woods just beyond the back end of the fifth wheel. And these are the Indian Bread Rocks. And you see how the rocks are, some of them are teetering on top of others. So it's a really cool spot. And if you look over in this area and you see a little bit of a glint on the rocks, that is water coming in from snowmelt higher up. So that's kind of cool. So Paul and I are hiking over here to that rock right in the middle that is on top of the rock below it. And then if we're ambitious, we might even climb this here miniature version of Ayers Rock in Australia, Alice Springs. No kangaroos though, yet. All right. Okay, we're at the next level. View's getting bigger. Whew. So next air stop.
Yeah, there's one of their little balloony things, I think. Or just a paper bag, can't tell which.
Let's see, there's a little pool of water on top of that rock. Orange or reddish.
Oh, yeah.
There, the pool of water on top of the rock. Red water. Alright. Cattle trails down there. It almost looks like circling of the wagons for the rocks there. See, that's what those tall things are. They're coming out of that plant. Whatever it is.
It's some kind of
a desert plant.
what do you call it? Something bayonet something.
Bayonet something. Well, if any viewers know what it is, your comment. Oh yeah. If any viewers know what that plant is, let us know. Oh, there's our hiking buddies, or our next door neighbors camping anyway. Okay. What's Archie doing? What's Archie doing? Hey, buddy. Hey, buddy. Archie.
Sleeping.
Don't bother me, I'm sleeping. Hey, boy. Hey. Psst. What's doing? Good boy. Oh, I love kitty tootsies. I love tootsies. Don't touch me. Don't touch me. Good boy. And look at that irresistible white kitty belly. You just gotta touch kitty bellies. gotta touch kitty bellies. Good boy.